We rolling out. Damn, bro, you can't even see much. It's so, my tent's crazy. You can see out the side, now out the front. Bro, last day of school, man, we about to go get something to eat. But I think I'm about to do some pools and rollers on the way there, so I might as well. You feel me? Bro, it's so dark, bro. It's so dark. It's very scary, very scary. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We kind of cheated. No, we didn't cheat. Never that. Well, we kind of like half butt that test. Bro, everybody left me, dude. Looks like a cop car. Look at my cousin right there. Look at my primo, my primo, my primo. I really hope, like, when I edit this video, I can, like, make the video brighter. Trying to pull up next to him, but this car's coming. But we better get some water back. I can't even tell that car's coming. Oh, you see what I'm talking about? It's crazy. Crash outs. Can't even drive straight. You see, we both can't drive bad. We're only one of us, so. Bro, them Ford Explorers be getting me, bro. Be thinking it's a car, but in reality, it's a mom. You got a 335? It looks clean. Bro, 335 is like the front end looks so nice. You see, I'd cop a 335, but what they got? I think they got the N54. I don't know. Those engines usually gonna be cooked. The engines are cooked. Yeah, man, if y'all do like the POV drives, man, subscribe. That's what I post, man, POV drives. I'm gonna see if I can line it up with my cousin. He got a BMW, he got a diesel though. He got a BMW that has a diesel engine in it. Damn, bro, just like that? Just like that? Bro, wait till I get in exhaust, man. Wait till I get tuned, really. Wait till I get tuned. So, my bad. Sorry, papi, pero tengo lugar. Tengo que estar en un lugar. That's just high beams at me. Am I driving like a butthole? I don't think so. Really, in Atlanta, you gotta drive on defense. You gotta be a step before people. People be driving crazy in Atlanta, man. Like I say it all the time, but it's because it's the truth. Bro, I had a crackhead once, like, stop traffic for me and gave me the right of way. Like, thank you, but like you don't see, like, where do you see that, like, besides Atlanta or like maybe LA? I got like, oh, that's a dude in the Mazda, bro. That's that crash out that cut me off. Bro, what is that wrangling sound? It don't sound good. Damn, bro, I lost him. Can't even catch up. I can start cutting up, but my car got that setting where when I start cutting up, like my brakes start to lock up. Not lock up, my gas pedal starts to lock up, so it's kind of iffy to, like, to cut up. I hear that diesel, bro. They're right there. I hear it's turbo spooling. Bro, turbos. Intake's coming in next week, bro. We're gonna start getting some spools too. We're gonna start getting that. Bro, I can't wait. I'm slowly building my car, man. Slowly. There they are. I found them. I found them. Shayla, my Shayla. Is that a Mustang? I can't even tell, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of late, but I'm hungry. Oh, I forgot what's talking about the gas station. Bro, these guys don't know where they're going. What? Right there. What? No. Why'd you say fuck me for? What you doing? Creaky, creaky. Which will be better? This way or that way? Oh. see if we can get a video of. Damn. Holy moly, how are we going to merge? So much traffic. Let's see if he'll pull up next to me. Let's see if he's not scared to line it up. Bro, I'm stuck, bro. Don't get on me. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. But I still like to play though. Did I say play though? Like play though? Is it like play though? Like as I want to play too? Or is it play though as in like I want to like play though? I ain't gonna lie, that last game didn't feel too good. Hey! Line it up with him! Bro, I want to be like in the back. Oh my gosh, we got a bike meet. We got a bike meet, oh my gosh. I don't like how my car was like, when I was shifting, like the very end, like it felt really heavy. I don't know, it's cause I was really stepping on it. Nah, we straight, bro, we straight. I know, like, you can't think negative. If you think negative, you're just gonna put into it. They're not gonna really get a pool. They're not gonna be able to get a pool. They're not gonna be able to do nothing because there's so much traffic, bro. So much traffic. Alright, let's put the windows up because this is where we start getting fans. Nah, I'm just playing. I don't got no fans. Damn, bro, that pool I did, like this how y'all know I'm stressing. Like I keep talking about it. It felt like the end just felt iffy. Too much traffic. Man, there's cops right there. Man, there's cops all on this road. Damn, bro, what happened here? We just trying to eat some canes. But what a burger. We're just trying to eat some water burger. They turning into that lane, so I'm guessing something. Whatever happened was that lane. Don't call me on my map. Damn, what's that? That's it. I'm at 50. Alright. I'm 840. I don't know too much about like the M8s and like 840s and 850s and 828. Nah, I don't think that 828's a thing. I'm just trolling. But y'all saw that though. VR30 versus the world. Y'all saw that when we did that pool though. VR30. Yeah, why they revving up the man just like that? Right? Police right there. Man, what happened? Shut up at the news. Right there on channel 8. I ain't gonna lie, the Whataburger is kind of like, I prefer cans over Whataburger for real. Bro, like, I'm still on that thing, bro. Like, my car felt funny when I did that pool, bro. Is it cause is that what boost was like boosting in? I don't know if that's what boost feels like. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Oh, brother. These guys want to reverse park. They want to be cool. They want to be cool. I want people staring at me. Roll the window up. Damn, no parking space for me? Oh, yes, parking space for me. Bro, with this 10, bro, you gotta roll the window down. Oh, I run over again. Alright, I'll pick up the video. I'll pick up the video after I'm out. Right, hold on, let me take a video of the whip skis real quick. Oh. Let me get a video of it. Yeah.